Hello and welcome to this review of WordPress Master Kit. If you're a coach, course creator, or content marketer, this might be exactly what you need to save time and launch a course fast. What is WordPress Master Kit? WordPress Master Kit is a software video course designed for coaches and online tutors. The best part? It comes with unrestricted PLR rights, meaning you can rebrand and sell it under your own name. This is an on-demand video course, which means everything is pre-made for you. You don't have to research, script, record, or edit, just take the content and start selling. It even includes pre-built funnels to make the process even easier. Key benefits and how it solves a problem. This course is designed to help entrepreneurs, PLR producers, and online course creators launch a high-quality product quickly. Many course creators struggle with time. Researching, recording, and editing takes weeks or even months. WordPress Master Kit removes that burden by giving you a ready-made course in a niche that is always in demand. If you've wanted to sell an online course but didn't know where to start, this is a shortcut that saves hours of work and lets you focus on selling and scaling your business. Pros and cons. White heavy checkmark. Pros. Highly targeted for the WordPress niche, which is always in demand. Unrestricted PLR license lets you rebrand and resell the course as your own. Affordable pricing, just $13 for a full video course with PLR rights. Updated course content to keep up with industry trends. 30-day money-back guarantee, making it a low-risk investment. Crossmark. Cons. No demo video or dashboard walkthrough, making it hard to preview before purchase. Testimonials and success stories lack credibility and could be improved. Only email support is available, no live chat or phone support. Pricing and additional offers. WordPress Master Kit, $13 for the full course with PLR rights. Reddit Traffic Goldmine VIP, $4, helps you generate more traffic. RTG White Label Apps, $37, lets you resell a white label app. For a total of $54, you can get the full package, including traffic generation and an extra resellable product. Who is it for? This product is perfect for course creators with tight schedules who want a ready-made solution. Content creators who want a done-for-you product instead of spending hours recording and editing videos. PLR entrepreneurs looking for a profitable, rebrandable product in a high-demand niche. Final verdict. If you're looking for a fast and easy way to launch a WordPress-related course without doing everything from scratch, WordPress Master Kit is a great option. However, if you prefer hands-on coaching, live support, or well-documented testimonials, this may not be the best choice. For just $13, it's an affordable, low-risk investment that gives you full resale rights. If you've been looking for a shortcut to selling your own digital course, this is worth considering. Would you invest in WordPress Master Kit? Let me know in the comments.